Meiosis. Meiosis is also called reduction division. In plant pods, sexual cells are participated in the meiosis. The sexual cells are diploid in condition. They called gameto mother cells or gamete mother cells. The diploid mother cells are participated in this division, in this meiosis division, to form 4 haploid cells. The 4 haploid cells are called gametes. In this division, the chromosome number is reduced from the parental cell to daughter cell. Chromosome number is reduced from the parental cell to daughter cell. So this division is also called reduction division. So this division is also called reduction division. See children, it is the diagram of meiotic division or reduction division. The reduction division shows mainly 2 major phases. They are meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is called first phase of meiosis, first cell division of meiosis. After first cell division of meiosis, 2 daughter cells are formed. They are called dyad cells. The dyad cells again participated in the second cell division of meiosis to form 4 daughter cells. The 4 daughter cells are haploid in condition. Meiosis shows mainly 2 major phases. They are meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Now meiosis 1 again shows 2 major phases. They are karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means nuclear divisions are called karyokinesis. The nuclear divisions are karyokinesis and cytoplasm divisions are called cytokinesis. Meiosis 1 shows 2 major phases. They are karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis again shows 4 subphases. They are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase 1 belongs to first phase of meiosis division. The prophase 1 again shows following sub 5 phases. They are leptotene, zygotene, paketene, diplotene, diakinesis. Leptotene, zygotene, paketene, diplotene, diakinesis. These 5 subdivisions under the prophase 1 of meiosis 1. In leptome, the chromatid thread-like structures are clearly visible and nucleosomes also clearly visible. The chromatid thread-like structures look like a flower vase-like structure in the nucleus. That chromatid thread-like structures are ready to form chromosome-like structure. Then after leptotene, zygotene phase here. In the zygotene subdivision, 2 non-sister chromatids arranged as a pair-like structure called synapsis. 2 non-sister chromatids arranged as a pair-like structure is called synapses. Synapses means two different chromatids. They are belongs to non-sister chromatids. The non-sister chromatids thread-like structures are arranged as a chromosome-like structure called synapses. From these two chromatids, one chromatid came from the one parental generation, another chromatid came from the another parental generation. So these two chromatid thread-like structures are called non-sister chromatid thread-like structures. The non-sister chromatid thread-like structures participated in the synapses by the three ways. They are pro-terminal synapses, procentric synapses, random synapses. Pro-terminal synapses means the two non-sister chromatids are arranged as a chromosome-like structure. It starts from the end of the arms called pro-terminal synapses. And procentric synapses means the two non-sister chromatids arranged as a chromosome-like structure. The mechanism, it starts from the centromere to arms-like structure. Centromere to arms-like structure called procentric synapses. And the third one is random synapses. The formation of chromosomes by the two chromatids, by the two non-sister chromatids in random position called random synapses. At end of these synapses, the chromosomes look like a zygote-like structure. So this phase is called zygotine. Zygotine. At end of the zygotine, chromosomes are enter into pocketine stage. In the zygotine phase also, nucleolus clearly visible. And pocketine phase is the importance of phase of meiosis 1. Beginning of the pocketine phase, the diploid chromosomes means zygotine chromosomes are participated in the replication. They develop into tetraploid chromosomes. Tetraploid chromosomes are formed in the pocketine phase. In this pocketine phase, the tetraploid chromosomes are participated in the crossing over. During the crossing over, they shows capital X-like structure. The chromosomes arms shows capital X-like structure called chiasma. If crossing over will be occurs in the pocketine phase, the new generations, new characters are appeared in the next daughter generations. So pocketine stage is important phase of meiosis 1. In this phase, crossing over will be occurs by the formation of chiasma between the two non-sister chromatids. After pocketine stage, the chromosomes enter into diploidine stage. The diploidine stage, the tetraploid chromosomes are closely arranged at the centromere. Tetraploid chromosomes are closely arranged at the centromere with arms-like structure also. After diploidine, they enter into diakinesis. The tetraploid chromosomes containing only single centromere. The chromosome arms are attached with only centromere, but arms are loosely arranged. Arms are loosely arranged. So this phase is called diakinesis. After the phase 1 of meiosis 1, the diakinesis cells or chromosomes enter into metaphase 1. In this metaphase 1, The tetraploid chromosomes are arranged in the cell plate. The cell plate developed at the center region of the cell. So the cell plate is formed at the center region of cell, and the tetraploid chromosomes are arranged on the middle plate or cell plate. So this phase is called metaphase 1. Metaphase 1. Then after metaphase, anaphase is there. Anaphase 1. During the metaphase, from the two opposite polar regions, spindle fibers are developed. The spindle fibers are attached with the chromosome of centromere. With the help of spindle fibers, the tetraploid chromosomes are cleaved into diploid chromosomes by the spindle fibers. Tetraploid chromosomes are cleaved into diploid chromosomes with the help of spindle fibers. The diploid chromosomes are pulled to opposite polar regions. Pulled to opposite polar regions means from the cell plate, diploid chromosomes are moves to opposite polar regions. Moves to opposite polar regions. During these phase, the diploid chromosomes are in the motile condition. So the diploid chromosomes are in the motile condition. So we are called anaphase 1. Anaphase 1 means chromosomes are motile in condition. During these anaphase 1, the chromosomes, the diploid chromosomes are look like capital V, capital L, J, small I in structures. At end of these anaphase 1, the chromosomes are enter into telophase 1. The chromosomes are reached to opposite polar regions in the telophase 1. The chromosomes are again convert into chromatid thread-like structures. Around these chromatid thread-like structure, nuclear envelope is formed and nucleolus will be also formed. Then after the formation of nuclear envelope, nucleolus, cell plate is developed into cell wall-like structure. The cell plate is formed from the beginning of the metaphase. At both sides of the cell plate, cell wall chemicals are deposited by the Golgi operators. By the Golgi operator, cell wall chemicals are deposited at both sides of the cell plate. Finally, formation of the cell plate, it convert into cell wall. Formation of cell wall, the cytoplasm is cleaves into two half parts. It cleaves into two half parts. The two half parts to form two daughter cells. The two daughter cells are called dyad cells. The dyad cells are taken rest called interphase. Then again they develop, again they are enter into meiosis 2 phase. The meiosis 2 phase also shows mainly two subphases. Meiosis phase also shows two subphases. They are division phase 2 and cytokinesis. Division phase also shows two subphases, karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis again shows four subphases. Karyokinesis means nuclear divisions are called karyokinesis. The karyokinesis or meiosis 2 shows four subphases. They are prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2. Then after telophase 2, cytokinesis division 2 will be occurs. After cytokinesis 2 will occurs to form four tetrads. The four tetrads are developed into four pollen grains or four gametes. 4 pollen grains. So meiosis 2 phase is similar to the mitosis division. In phase 2, the chromatid thread-like structures are converted into chromosome-like structures. That chromosomes are in bivalent structure. In this phase 2, nucleolus will be clearly appeared beginning of the phase, and at end of the phase 2, nucleolus will be disappeared. At end of the phase 2, nucleolus will be disappeared, and chromatids are converted into bivalent chromosome-like structures. The bivalent chromosome-like structures are arranged at the cell plate. The cell plate is formed at the center region of the cell called. On the cell plate, the diploid or bivalent chromosomes are arranged. The bivalent chromosomes are arranged on the central portion of the cell or middle portion of the cell. This phase is called metaphase 2. Metaphase 2. After formation of metaphase 2, after completion of metaphase 2, or during the metaphase 2, from the two opposite polar regions, spindle fibers are developed. The spindle fibers are attached with the chromosomes of centromere. The bivalent chromosomes are cleaved into haploid chromosomes with the help of spindle fibers. The haploid chromosomes are pulled to opposite polar regions with the help of spindle fibers. During this phase, the chromosomes are motile in condition. So this phase is called anaphase 2. During the anaphase 2, the haploid chromosomes are look like capital V, capital L, small I, small j in structures. So finally, haploid chromosomes are moved to opposite polar region and they are enter into telophase 2. If that chromosomes are reached to opposite polar regions, the haploid chromosomes are converted into chromatid thread-like structures. When the haploid chromosomes are converted into chromatid thread-like structures, the nucleolus will be appeared, and around these nucleolus and chromatid thread-like structure, nuclear envelope will be formed. After formation of these nucleus, around the cell plate or both sides of the cell plate, cell wall chemicals are deposited. By the formation of cell wall chemicals, the cell plate convert into cell wall. By the formation of cell wall, the cell cytoplasm is also divided into two half portions. By the cytokinesis 2 division, two daughter cells are formed. Finally, four daughter cells are formed from the two diad cells. From each diad cells, two daughter cells. From two diad cells, four daughter cells are formed. The four daughter cells are called tetrad cells. The four daughter cells are in haploid condition. The four daughter cells are called young pollen grains. See children, the formation of tetrads, sometimes the cells, the diad cells are directly participated in the division phase 2. Then after division phase 2, they participated at a time cytokinesis division. So pollen mother cell participated in the mitotic division by the successive divisions or simultaneous divisions. By the successive divisions or simultaneous division, from the diploid pollen mother cell, four haploid pollen grains are formed. The four haploid pollen grains are arranged at one place after completion of meiosis division. So these four pollen grains arranged are called tetrad position. After the four pollen grains are developed into matured pollen grains. So children, it is the reduction division or meiosis division. Why we call the reduction division? The pollen mother cell is in diploid condition. Diploid condition means they containing two sets of chromosomes. The pollen mother cell containing two sets of chromosomes. The pollen mother cell participated in the reduction division or meiosis division to form 4 haploid pollen grains. The 4 haploid means the pollen grain containing haploid set of chromosome. Haploid set of chromosome means single set of chromosome. Single set of chromosome is present in the daughter cells. So this phase is called reduction or reduced of chromosome division. Parent cell is diploid condition, daughter cells are haploid in condition. So chromosome number will be reduced from the parental cell to daughter cells. So this division, this meiotic division, this meiosis division is called reduction division. Reduction division. So significance of reduction division. See, after these formation of haploid pollen grains, the haploid pollen grains are developed into haploid gametes. The haploid male and female gametes are fused to form again diploid chromosomes. Diploid zygote means any generations are formed in the life cycles of plants or animals. The plants containing consistent chromosomes, fixed chromosomes. The fixed chromosome number will be cannot changed by the meiosis division. The fixed chromosome, fixed set of chromosome present in the all generations. So this division play major role in the life cycle of plants and animals.